Find the center and radius of the circle with equation x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 16 and graph it. Recall that the general equation for a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where the center is the point hk and the radius is r. So for this circle, we have center at the point 2, -3, and the radius is the square root of 16, or 4. To graph, let's first label our coordinate grid. We'll let each dotted line represent 1 unit, and so the minimum on the y-axis is -8, and the maximum is 4. The minimum on the x-axis is -3, and the maximum is 9. We'll plot the center for reference at the point 2, -3. So from the origin, we move right 2 units and down 3 units. And then we'll plot 4 points on the circle using the radius. So since the radius is 4, we move up 4 units from the center to the point 2, 1. We move 4 units right from the center to the point 6, -3. We move 4 units down from the center to the point 2, -7. And from the center, we move 4 units left to the point -2, -3. Now we have 4 points on the circle. We then connect the points with a smooth curve in order to graph the circle.